CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. This will be the place in the future that all interactions with prospects, candidates, and clients will be recorded, serving as your electronic storage bank that everyone within your company can access for customer information throughout the entire sales cycle. As your sales, service, and operations grow within FCS, data will populate on your dashboard. You will be able to view and filter this data based on a certain time period. Also, on the dashboard you will see the FCS News, where you can watch past Toolbox Talks and interact in forums, where other FCS users can share information and ask other contractors for tips and tricks that they have discovered while using the FCS system. Last, you will have the opportunity to register for upcoming Toolbox Talks webinars, which occur each and every week. Contacts button displays a list of customers you have either imported into the system or have created individually by adding them into your CRM. Customers will start in the system as prospects and move throughout the sales cycle to candidates and ultimately to become clients in the end. The Vendors button can be used to add manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, or other roofing contractors. You could even add Jimmy John's. We also have a tab for general contractors. This magnifying glass icon has the capability to search and filter the entire CRM using different search criteria and fields for specific information. You can also filter contacts by company, city, state, zip code, and a mile radius around that zip code. Buttons. There are buttons along the right side of the page. Click one of these buttons to add activities, print lists, email clients, export information to Excel spreadsheets, and mapping. Company information. Let's look at some company detail. The details of a company will be displayed. This includes addresses, phone numbers, contacts, and emails. You will also have the ability to add your customer's logo to customize documents throughout the sales process. From this view, you will be able to add and link documents, view the property location on a map, edit this company's information, email, see the client portal, click to Google search, export the company data, or go back to the previous page. At the company level, you will be able to add properties. Companies will either have multiple properties like property management companies or school districts, or be single property like a bowling alley. Within each company, we have the ability to schedule and view information based on phone calls, meetings, inspections, and other event types. First, you will need to schedule an activity. These will show up on the calendar. The calendar will show scheduled activities for you or anyone else in your company, depending on how the information is filtered, and also the level of access the user has. We can enter an appointment for fast lane bowling and see how it appears on our calendar. As your workflow progresses from phone calls to meetings to inspections or sold quick bids, all of this is recorded within the history inside of the CRM. So a basic overview of the CRM, we have entered companies and properties and now are in a position to advance these companies from prospects to candidates and all the way through to clients.
Similar to the desktop version, we will use our mobile CRM to accomplish our CRM-related activities, events, scheduled service calls, inspections, and so on. At an overview, we have contacts, deals, schedule, and toolbox. Let's take a look at contacts. If we go into contacts, you'll see your Rolodex just like the desktop version. We're looking at a list of the companies we have, and you'll see that this is split up in between our prospects, candidates, and clients if we were to click on this drop down. We can easily search for a record by clicking the magnifying glass or we can add one by hitting the plus sign. Let's search for the school. So here's our school district 124, and similar to the desktop version, we're looking at a company level. We'll have our company contacts, we'll have our company notes. If we were to drill into the property, we will see the Woodstock High School that we've previously inspected. So at a property view, we're able to see the front of the building, the aerial image, the timeline. We can click what do you want to do as tasks like inspections, quick bids, service calls, building proposals. And we also have access to the live version of this report. Next, we have deals, which will show what has been quoted, sold, and marked dead so we can track our sales efforts without having to come back to the office. We also have schedule, which will show the activities we have set on our calendars. We have a service agenda, which will show the different service calls we have scheduled within our system. And we also have projects for the production jobs. And lastly, we have Toolbox that will allow you to pull tools like the Power Board or Time Card or Cloud PDF, different tools that are available within this mobile CRM.